Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are okay. Ensure you have marked your attendance in the LMS, and I will also download the attendance in the meeting. So you make sure you are active and you attend the whole class. So today we are going to look at how to develop corporate image tools. And by the end of the session, you should be able to describe the corporate identity tools with proficiency and to describe in details the components of corporate image. Okay, let's start our lesson. What do you know about corporate image or corporate identity tools? Anyone? Joy? Anyone? Okay. Corporate identity tools are visual and communicative elements that organizations use to create a distinctive and consistent image or brand identity. These tools help convey the company's values, mission, and personality to the public. Customers, employees, and stakeholders' corporate identity tools play a crucial role in building brand recognition and fostering trust. Some common corporate identity tools include logo. As you can see here, here are some of the examples of logos. I know most of you are familiar with some of them, e.g. this one which represents Shell, this one represents Nike, this one represents Unilever, this one represents Coca-Cola, and so on. So those are examples of logos various companies use to recognize their company's brand. Number two is branding guidelines. These are comprehensive documents that provide guidelines for how the brand should be represented visually and verbally. Yeah. Number three is website design. This is how the companies define their website, e.g. how they are layouted, the scheme, color, the topography, and how it should reflect the corporate identity. Then social media profiles. Most companies you find have social media profiles like on Facebook, as you can see here. These are examples of social media profiles that companies have, e.g. the LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so on. Then kuna uniforms and dress code. In some industries, employee uniforms or dress codes are used to promote the corporate identity. This uniform may feature the company's logo or colors. I know most of you are familiar with this because you find most companies have branded their uniforms so that they can be recognized out there. Okay, our second objective was on the components of corporate image, and I will urge every one of you to at least write something on the discussion forum about the components of the corporate image as we go on. After this lesson, I will go through the discussion forums and ensure that you write something and you also reply to one of your colleagues what they have written. Okay, components of corporate image. Corporate image, also known as corporate reputation or corporate identity, is the perception that individuals and the public hold about a company. It encompasses various elements and components that shape how an organization is seen and understood. The components of corporate image include brand identity. This is the visual representation of the company, including the logo, as you have said and shown above, the color scheme, typography, and design elements. This is just to identify a certain brand. If you see this logo, you will know this is exactly from Coca-Cola, this is from Shell, this is from Nike, and etc. Number 2 is mission and values. Every company has their mission statement and vision and value and their values. The company's mission statement and core values communicates its purpose and principles. Then products and services. The quality, performance, and innovation of the products or services offered by the company significantly impacts its image, positive customer experiences, and a reputation for delivering value contribute to a positive corporate image. Number 4 is corporate social responsibility, the CSR. Engaging in socially responsible practices such as philanthropy, sustainability, and ethical business conduct can enhance the corporate image by showing the company's commitment to societal well-being. Okay, employee relations. Employee satisfaction, well-being, and engagement impact how employees represent the company to the public. A positive workplace culture can contribute to a favorable corporate image. As you can see there, that is a sign of cooperation among employees. So employee relationship is very crucial to a company, and it can lead to a positive image created to a company by the employees. Then there is financial performance. The company's financial stability, profitability, and responsible financial management can influence investor confidence and subsequently its corporate image. Innovation and technology. Another corporate component of corporate image is innovation and technology. An organization's ability to adapt to the changing technologies and innovate its industry can set it apart and contribute to a positive image of being forward-thinking and dynamic. That is the end of my lesson today. And before I end the lesson, I will ask you what your takeaway, your take home of today's lesson. What have you learned in today's lesson? Doreen Odhiambo.
Okay, madam. In today's lesson, I've learned about the components of corporate image, where we have the brand identity, which is visual representation of a company, which includes logos. I've also learned that another component, which is employee relation. It's something to do with satisfaction and well-being and engagement of employees. Thank you.
Thank you, Doreen. Sharon, what is your take home?
Okay, I've learned that corporate identity tools are those visual and communicative elements that organization use to create image.
Okay, thank you. At least I have seen you are attentive in class, and I thank you for coming. Now, I will leave you with an assignment. You discuss how a corporate image can be identified, and also don't forget to write on your discussion forums about the components of corporate image. Thank you, and that is the end of my lesson. Have a nice day.
Thank you, madam.